In this video, I'll guide you through the process of removing the kitchen unit from the vehicle. Start by disconnecting the electrical power supply by unplugging the cable here and here. Next, locate the 3 star screws. The first one is in the gas compartment. The second one is on the left side of the kitchen unit at the bottom, and the third one is inside the left door of the kitchen module. Unscrew all 3 star screws. Lift the kitchen unit from its indoor setting and place it on a stable, flat surface outside. Next, extend the adjustable legs to the appropriate height to ensure the kitchen surface is level. To do this, spin the wheels located in the lower sections of the unit. Once the legs are extended, secure each foot in place to prevent any movement while in use. Now, attach one end of the extension cable to the kitchen unit and the other end to the electrical outlet. And that's it. The kitchen unit is now set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.